Hi CM. Today we're in the laundry room where I'm going to share with you some of my favorite stain removal secrets. I wear a lot of Cockerel swag and I cook a lot in my Cockerel swag, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to get you some Cockerel swag this year. But back to laundry stains. My clothes get splashed a lot with olive oil and butter while I'm cooking. So anytime you have an oil-based stain, olive oil, butter, salad dressing, you get the idea. This is your secret weapon. Now, what's amazing about Dawn liquid is that you can totally miss the oil-based stain, wash and also dry your clothes, and this stuff still works after it's been through the dryer. So I put my Dawn liquid into this pump bottle, pump it onto the fabric, rub it in, put it in your laundry hamper, and forget about it until you're ready to do laundry. It's amazing. Any other kind of stain, you want to use this stuff. Persil Pro Clean. It's incredible. I've gotten mildew and craft paint out with this stuff. So I also put it in a squeeze bottle. But the trick with Persil is that you want to get this on your stain as soon as possible. The sooner you get it on, you can let it soak for a little while, but the sooner you get it on, the better. The more likely you are to be successful. My last tip is that if you have a tomato stain and you put the Persil on it, and it looks like most of it came out when you take it out of the wash, but not all of it, let it dry in a sunny space. Amazing how well that works too. The sun just seems to evaporate the tomato stain somehow. I hope you find these helpful. Let me know what your question is. Just ask Sandy.